Good morning, dear students. So, today we are going to start a new chapter of chemistry, and as you can see, the name of the chapter is Periodic Classification of Element. So, my first question to you is that why do you think that this chapter is included in your syllabus? Because you've already studied about element in class 8, in class 9. So, what is the necessity of including this chapter in class 10? Okay, so we will try to find out the answer of this question while studying the chapter, that why it is included in your syllabus. So, classification, the word classification is not new to us. We have already studied about classification in class 9. We have studied about classification of organism that time, and here we will study about classification of element. So there are 180 known element to us, and out of which 94 are naturally occurring and the other 24 are synthesized at the laboratory. No, so it is not possible for us to know about each and every property, about each and every physical and chemical properties of all the elements. No, because it is a very hectic task. We, for example, there are 50 people in a hall, so no matter how many times you ask about their details, about their characteristics to them, it is not possible to remember the characteristics of each and every person in the hall. So there should be some shorting there. Okay, so that is what classification means. Classification means shorting into groups. Okay, and why classification is essential? Classification is essential to make the study of such a large number of elements easy. Okay, because there are various chemical properties like the reaction with alkalis, acids, bases, their reaction with oxygen. There are various physical properties which should be remembered, and it is a very hectic task for us. So making this thing easy, we have kept similar elements in one group, and dissimilar are being separated. So that is why classification is very much essential for us. Okay, so making order out of chaos. So there is so much chaos about about the elements. No, these elements have this property, that property. So there was many confusions. So attempts were made by several scientists to minimize these confusions. Okay, so first thing what they did, they tried to classify them as metals and non-metals, but they failed miserably because metalloids were also there, and metalloids means they have the properties of both metals and non-metals. So in which group they will fall, metal or non-metal? So this thing failed. So after that we will learn what the scientists did to make it a success. Okay,